What's up, guys? Alright, so today we're doing an unboxing of the AXIAL Wraith in the orange RTR, ready to run, 110 scale electric 4-wheel drive crawler. Really good looking color. I think it looks good in the orange. This truck got some nice features on it. We got a tube chassis, forward mounted battery tray also. Molded plastic, grille and radiator, gives it the more scale look. We got skid plates. We got an AX10 transmission. We got a dual slipper clutch. We got protective inner fender wells. We got a chassis mounted servo. We got 4-link rear suspension on this. We got an AR44 Hi-pinion axles featured in this big old 110 scale. What else we got features on this? We got Metal Gear Servo. Cool. 35T brush motor. We got a Spektrum STX2 Transmitter. Spektrum SRX200 Receiver. We got a waterproof receiver box. That's a plus, right? When we want to crawl, we want to play a little bit in the water, whatnot. We got adjustable coilover shocks. We got a WB8 Wildboar driveshafts. Let's see if we can break them. Adjustable battery tray. Dynamite AE-5L EXC with drag brake, which is really cool. Drag brake for crawling. Good deal. And we got some LED lights. We got a V8 engine scale details under the hood on this bad boy. And we got an adjustable wheelbase. Sounds good to me for a scale crawler, wouldn't you say? All right, so let's open this thing up. Get in this thing. And I want to see what this thing looks like out of the box. And I can't wait to bring this out in the woods and give it a little test run. It's always cool things to do. Got some parts in here. Open this up. Got all different parts in here for the inside. Oh, drop that piece. All different parts that this comes with, guys. Got bumpers, got all kinds of stuff. All different things. What else? We got here's a controller. Let's pull this out. Give you guys a look at the Spektrum. All right there. Throttle trim, steering trim, your rates, throttle rate, blah, blah, blah. Burp, 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 burp. Got your bind plug right here. Oh yeah, I really like this. Got your book here, your bag. Oh, you guys, wait till you see this truck. This thing looks cool. Man, I gotta give a thumbs up to this one right here. Let me turn this box around so you guys can see what this thing looks like. Ba-dow! Get a load of that. That is nice. Nice rims and tires featuring on that bad boy. Got the guy in there driving. Wow, I'm really happy with the way this thing looks. Very, very nice. Get this thing out of here. Probably got it all tied down and whatnot. You know these toys nowadays. Yep, they got some zip ties on it. Where's my cutters? Here they are. Get this bad boy out of the box. Wow, yeah, I really like the way this thing looks. I can't wait to get this thing out in the woods. See what it could do. That would stink if I cut some parts, huh? One more. And she comes out. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Nice. Get a look at that truck, guys. Get a zip tie in there. Look at that. Nice. 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 Look at that. Check the back out. Check out the underneath the chassis. 4-link rear suspension. Coilover shocks. Very, very good looking truck. Happy with it. The hood pops open on hinges, which is really, really neat. I like that feature. Got your detailed V8 right there. Pretty nice feature, huh? Got that. Actually got some working headlights on here also, guys. So the battery goes in this truck right up underneath the hood, just like a real truck, which is cool. Show you guys where the battery goes here. So the battery is going to go right up underneath here, underneath the hood. Your plug is right here. I run Traxxas connectors, so we'll be taking this one off and replacing it with a Traxxas connector. I like Traxxas connectors. It's just what we run. We got a lot of Traxxas vehicles, so that's what we use. Everybody runs different connectors. Chevy, Ford, same thing. You know what I'm saying? Get you guys some close video of this truck here. Now it's really, really cool truck. I'm liking it. It's got some nice features on it. I mean, I like these tires and rims on it. They're narrow. They're a narrow tire, but I think they're gonna do well. The ESC is right up in there on the right side of the motor there. So I mean, you got to take the body panels off to get at everything, but it is what it is, you know. 4-link suspension. It's got the adjustable coilover shocks. Suspension there. Transmission is up in there. The center. I think it's going to do really, really well crawling. Just some key things in the book here. You got your box contents. You got your required equipment, battery, of course. You got some tools, recommended tools, of course. And then you got your vehicle parts, where everything is. Let's see. You got your transmitter functions all right here in the book. And there's a picture of the battery where it goes underneath the hood there. And the connector. And then you got binding, range, your vehicle maintenance, just like any of your rigs. We always want to maintain our vehicles. So this is pretty cool. They give you 2 turbochargers that you could put into this rig here under the engine compartment, which I think is really a cool feature. You got some different skull guys here, helmets, just a bunch of different things. All right, guys, next video is going to be this truck on the trail, on the rocks. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, JagRC Outdoor Adventures. Thanks to all the subscribers we have already. We really appreciate it. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Get out there, get an RC, have a little fun. See ya.